Imagine after being elected district councilor, you're protesting the authoritarian takeover of your government with hundreds of thousands of your fellow citizens. Once you escape into exile, the Chinese government puts a $1 million bounty on your head. The CCP tracks down your family back home and interrogates them in a police station. And after locating you in exile, the Chinese government sends letters to your neighbors asking them to report on your whereabouts and physically bring you to the Chinese consulate for the reward money. This is Carmen Lau's story. And it's a story that Tibetans and Tibet activists are deeply familiar with. It's the same reason why Tibetan parents put full face coverings on their children when they take them to Tibetan National Uprising Day protests. Tibet activists know that publicly taking a stand against the CCP in exile is taking the risk that the Chinese government will track down your family back home and threaten them to silence you. Now Carmen and over a dozen Hong Kong activists like Joey Siu, Francis Hui, and Anna Kwok are being hunted by the CCP all over the world just for advocating for their homeland. For years, Carmen has been an ally to the Tibetan cause, attending SFT's Cross-Movement Action Camp and standing shoulder to shoulder with us during the 2023 APEC protests in California. Since the CCP is using the same tactics to silence all activists, Hong Konger, Uyghur, Chinese dissident, Taiwanese, it's time for all activists to stand together to fight back.